Mike, good morning. Meteorologist Mike Favetta with the full Garden State forecast. It just needed a minute. It's all it takes. I am now
You
recharged. It's
do,
like
yep.
lithium batteries on a 2 hour
Mm-hmm.
charge.
That's it. It's the quick charge. It's a quick recharge. Better than a cup of coffee in the morning. Well, maybe not so much, but
Although we got
for
that.
some, it is a Monday morning.
Yes, exactly.
I
Don't
was
go too
making the
far.
second espresso.
Salute.
Pardon me for being late. So it takes a lot on a Monday, especially when you've had so much great weather over the weekend. You got recharged with the vitamin D. Gorgeous outside again today with kind of a third day in a row of beautiful weather. Temperatures climbing into the low 90s with that comfortable level of humidity. So yes, it'll be a little bit warmer than this weekend, but still not oppressive as highs climb into the upper 80s inland. North and west there in Sussex, 87 degrees, and a cool start this morning in the 50s. But again, the dry air making it feel much more pleasant through the afternoon. So air quality a little bit lower in northern New Jersey because of some of that Canadian wildfire smoke. Better by the coast, but overall, the air quality is still unhealthy for sensitive groups due to that stagnant air yet again, specifically in the central part of the state. As we look down toward the tropics, have a few areas to watch. One, that is the tropical storm Dexter spinning out to sea, and then a few others off the coast of Africa, some in the Pacific. So, yes, tropical hurricane season starting to ramp its way up. Even with those winds staying out to sea, it's the storm center. You can see not too far away from the coast of New Jersey as it forms, and then working to the northeast very slowly, taking its time, meandering out into the Pacific, into the northern Atlantic, and driving with it and keeping its tropical characteristics through at least Thursday. So there's certainly enough energy there, and that wave energy will work its way back across New Jersey by the time we get to the middle of this week. So there are the waves, and you can see by Tuesday some of those waves coming pretty close to New Jersey throughout the end of the week. Yes, we'll see some more waves going into the middle of the week. So that's something to keep in mind if you're headed toward the beaches by tomorrow or Wednesday or even for Thursday. The middle of August is going to be hot. Look at all of this bright red shaping up across the Northeast. So plan on another round of very hot weather about a week and a half from now. We'll start to hear, those alert bells ringing in the weather center that there's a heat wave coming. Yeah, we're not quite done with summer just yet. Even as we head into the middle of August, the average chances of rainfall are also there. So it's going to be pleasant for the rest of this week with a few extra clouds tomorrow, maybe a shower Wednesday, but otherwise dry beginning Thursday, going into Friday with sunshine returning and highs sitting in the low 80s. That's average for the beginning of August. Even the weekend looking very pleasant with temperatures reaching the mid 80s. Shore points, very pleasant, lots of sunshine, temperatures in the low 70s at night, low 80s in the afternoon. Quintessential summer. Even heading into this weekend, we have another gorgeous weekend ahead, specifically for Friday and Saturday. Sunday, we got to work on, but I think I can make a phone call. So we'll let you know how that goes, Ken, coming up with another check of your forecast, or maybe a text. I think nature might like
Yeah, a
texts
little
nowadays.
text.
Hmm.
I mean, up until last week, Mother Nature was still taking faxes. So I'm glad that she's like upgraded it to SMSs.
Right.
That's a good thing.
We'll get
All
we'll get
right.
RCS pretty soon, and then maybe the iPhone ultimately. So yeah, slowly but surely.
She's she just started the flip phone. Don't push. All right. I shouldn't talk too loudly. I am in like a hurricane zone down here in South Florida right now, so I better watch. All right, Mike. Thank you, sir. We appreciate you as always. A beautiful and chilly, you could say chilly, 59 degrees. I like that kind of chilly though. That's fresh.